The title of this week's video may pique your curiosity about Xiaomi's latest venture in a saturated market. Are they delving into home appliances or perhaps sticking to their forte, smartphones? Surprisingly, if you don't know it already, Xiaomi is entering the realm of EVs. Xiaomi has officially introduced the SU7, an electric sedan that aims to be the best-looking, easiest to drive, and smartest car. CEO Lei Jun has emphasized that this EV aims to match the performance of the Porsche Taycan Turbo, while integrating intelligent features inspired by the Tesla Model S, basically a little baby of Porsche and Tesla. Though ambitious, Xiaomi seems resolute in its pursuit, in which Lei Jun recently unveiled that one of its variants, the SU7 Max, could reach a remarkable acceleration of 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.78 seconds, even surpassing the Porsche Taycan Turbo. The thing is, this car is going on sale during a difficult time. Xiaomi is entering the race at a time when major players like BYD, XPeng, NIO, and Tesla are aggressively cutting prices to gain share in the world's biggest auto market, while there is a consumer demand slowdown in the Chinese economy. In this competitive market landscape, Xiaomi's debut car is priced significantly lower than Tesla's Model 3, starting at 215,900 yuan compared to Tesla's 245,900 yuan, making it 30,000 yuan cheaper. Xiaomi aims to compete with Tesla's Model 3, Porsche's Taycan, and Geely Automobile's Zeekr 001 by providing feature-rich vehicles at a more accessible price point. However, as a late entrant to the EV market, many question whether Xiaomi could have the ability to compete with the other EV companies facing the same challenges, which are staying viable amidst intense competition and reduced consumer demand. One must know that Xiaomi is unlike a typical EV startup. Xiaomi is a well-established brand, with its revenues generated by other businesses, acquiring large customer base, and a strong track record of innovation. Therefore, here are 3 things that sets the SU7 apart from the other EV brands. Firstly, its collaboration with state-owned Beijing Automotive Industry Holding Co., BAIC, for EV production, granting a manufacturing edge. Secondly, the SU7's remarkable performance at this price point. And its greatest strength of all is that the SU7 uses Xiaomi's self-developed HyperOS as the operating system that connects EV users to its other devices, like its smartphones. Until now, domestic EV manufacturers have predominantly targeted either the affordable mass-market EVs or the high-end sector, introducing supercars or full-size luxury SUVs. However, there is an opportunity, especially for Xiaomi, for establishing a lucrative niche by distinguishing vehicles through software and smart functionalities. So far, things are looking good with the SU7 pre-orders hitting 88,898 within 24 hours. Xiaomi hasn't announced any plans to sell it overseas, but in my opinion, this will be a significant factor, which is scale. It's good that the SU7 is currently selling well, but indeed it is selling at a loss. This will hurt its profit margins. Therefore, Xiaomi's EV segment is likely going to drag profits until it achieves scale, as analyzed by JP Morgan analysts. However, they also expect that this will be a positive share price driver in the initial early volume shipments phase. Speaking of which, Xiaomi's shares jumped 16% after its EV car announcement, the highest since its first trading day back in January 2022. According to Visible Alpha estimates, robust growth is projected for Xiaomi's EV segment, with revenues forecasted to nearly triple from 11 billion Chinese yuan in 2024 to 129 billion Chinese yuan by 2030. By 2026, it's expected to become Xiaomi's third largest revenue stream, following smartphones and IoT. With a compound annual growth rate of 52% between 2024 and 2030, the EV segment is anticipated to represent 24% of Xiaomi's total revenue by 2030. So, is the SU7 going to follow the footsteps and emulate Huawei's success with Ado, their own EV car? It's too early to know now, but what are your thoughts? As always, this is Jean, a researcher at Dxpert. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed it. Bye!